So the legendary dancehall artist Nada Ranks has died, but the part that no one is talking about is the ongoing lawsuit that he had. But let's get into this story so I can break it down for you. Nada Ranks, the DJ best known for the 1992 hit song "Dem a Bleach," has died. He passed away in Queens, New York on December 22nd, according to colleagues on social media. Leading the tribute was Red Fox, a veteran of the tri-state dancehall scene. He posted on Instagram, "Saddened to hear the passing of Nada Ranks. My condolences to his family and loved ones. R.I.P. DJ." Dem a Bleach was produced by Taxi Gang on the Bam Bam rhythm that drove numerous hit songs, led by Murder She Wrote by Shaka Demus and Pliers, a jab at individuals who use acid creams to lighten their skin. The song topped the RGR Top 40 chart for 6 weeks 32 years ago. When I did Dem a Bleach, it was in response to Buju Banton's "Love Me Brownin." Bleaching was just catching on at the time, and I wanted to highlight that in my song, Nada Ranks told Jamaica Observer in a April 2017 interview. Barup, produced by Soji Hamilton, followed in 1993. It peaked at number 16 on the Billboard Dance Music Maxi Single Sales chart that year. Born Gary Henderson, Nada Ranks came from the Durkin Pike or McIntyreville community in East Kingston. His music career started in the mid-1980s on Caveman high power sound system, with his first release song being "Love to See the Girls" in 1989. He had a dancehall hit along fellow Dark native Wayne Wonder with the sound boy "What Happened" for producer Winston Riley, but it was Dem a Bleach that gave him national recognition. Its success earned Nada Ranks a contract with Profile Records, a New York independent company with strong hip-hop ties. The label released the album Rough Nada Rankin in 1993. On Sunday, veteran American music industry insider Murray Elias, who worked with him at Profile, recalled their time at the label. Nada was an underrated DJ. He had a super hot run in the early 90s where he had not just back-to-back dancehall hits, but every one of those hits crossed over into the hip-hop world. They were massive hits in the New York, both in the club and on mixed shows. And in the case of Barup, on radio like Kiss FM and stations up and down the East Coast. Barup, Rikers Island, New Jersey Drive, and Dem a Bleach were all innovative and groundbreaking classics. Working with Nardo on these projects was absolutely honor and privilege, he said. Nardo, who was in his late 50s, also tried his hand at acting, appearing in movies such as Jamaican Mafia and Jump Off. Rest in peace to Nada Ranks. But another part of his story that I want to talk about is his lawsuit that he filed against Jamaican / hip-hop artist Hood Celebrity for copyright infringement in 2020. And it says reggae star from the 90s Nada Ranks is suing dancehall walking trophy hitmaker Hood Celebrity over what he feels is copyright infringement. A civil suit filed in Manhattan court. Ranks, whose real name is Gary Henderson, alleged that Hood Celebrity parroted lyrics from his 90s hit Dem a Bleach. Ranks alleged that Hood Celebrity, whose real name is Tiana Pinnock, copied his lyrics from his 90s hit and used them in her Run the Road tune, which was released in March of 2020 by her KSR group label. We acknowledge that imitation is the highest form of flattery, but Hood Celebrities imitated Nardo and calls it her own. That is breaking the law, said Ranks attorney Tasso Paradalis to the NY Post. Ranks' lawsuit claims Hood parroted and extracted significant phrases from the original song, which was released in 1992. The contested lyrics seem to be Hood's second verse in Run the Road. And the lyrics are as follows: me no bleach out my skin, me no bleach, me can't call me a browning, me no bleach me never bleach out my skin. Me no bleach, call me a brownin. Yeah. And Nardos, them a bleach open with boy true Buju Banton go tell the girl them about browning. All of the girl them around go a shop go bleach cause them want brown skin. All of the girls them, all of them are bleach. Them a bleach out them skin. Them a bleach fi look like a browning. Them a bleach out them skin. Them a bleach fi look like a browning. Ranks, who's named Hood Celebrity and her record label in the suit, wants at least $500,000 in damages. Now the Ranks, whose rose to fame in the late 80s and early 90s, was most known for his songs Them a Bleach, Borup, and Rikers Island. Since migrating to the United States in the late 90s, he had taken a hiatus from music and was actively pursuing acting. In 2013, Ranks hinted at a return to music when he collaborated with a Puerto Rican singer, Cusp, for a reggaeton song, Pern. Still don't understand why Jamaican artists still thinks it's okay to collaborate with reggaeton artists who do not give reggae music the props it needs and it should get. But that's neither here nor there. That's a whole different topic for a whole different day. But I really wanted to highlight this because his lawsuit with Hood Celebrity and her record label was pending before he died. So I hope his family continues the suit and pay that lawyer and see where it goes, because I feel like a lot of his lyrics was definitely pirated in Hood Celebrity's song, and that there's definitely copyright infringement, and I think they can make something out of it if they continue the suit. But with that being said, I'm going to end my video here. Rest in peace to Nardo Rank. Rest in peace, and I hope everybody that loved him will celebrate his life and his legacy, not only as a icon as far as Jamaican music is concerned, but also putting skin bleaching on the forefront and talking about how it was affecting our community, especially here in Jamaica. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.